Hi guys, welcome back again to Dick in the Kitchen. We're here today to make a real classic dish called Pork Milanese. It's crispy, it's easy, and it's really delicious, and I hope that you like it. And if you do, please subscribe. Also send maybe a referral to one of your friends, because we're looking for some more subscribers to build our channel. In any case, let's get going and start making some classic Pork Milanese. We're going to take our pork and put it into a plastic bag with our hammer and flatten each of the cutlets until they're about 1/4 of an inch thick and they're nice and even in size. There we go. Okay. We're going to take 3 bowls. In one bowl we have plain flour, one we have 2 eggs that we're going to beat, and the third bowl will have Panco breadcrumbs. The first thing we add to the breadcrumbs is about 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/2 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1/2 tablespoon of dried basil, and 1/2 tablespoon of lemon pepper, all of which we're going to mix thoroughly before we start to dredge our pork. To start dredging our pork cutlets, the first thing we do is we dip both sides of the pork cutlet into the flour and coat it evenly, and then give it an egg wash on both sides. And then we dip it into the panko seasoned breadcrumbs and get them thoroughly coated. And then we continue to do that for all of our cutlets until all the cutlets are completely coated. Take the fully coated cutlets that we've coated with our seasoned breadcrumbs, and we're going to set them on a sheet pan with a drying rack on top. And then we're going to place it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour to let the breadcrumb mixture dry thoroughly. Okay, it's cooking time. The trick here is to not overload the skillet. We're going to use a 12-inch skillet with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 3 tablespoons of butter. Let everything get nice and hot, and we'll slowly add all of our cutlets, in this case in 2 batches. Cook it about 3 minutes on a side until it's golden brown, and then take it out and let it rest. We're getting close to being finished, but here's a hack that you might want to know that really makes this dish easy to serve. After you've cooked your pork cutlets on both sides, you can put it on your rack in the oven at about 175 to 190 degrees and hold it for up to probably 45 minutes to an hour, and it'll stay nice and crispy and delicious. There you've got it, beautifully cooked pork milanese with the most delicious coating. It's not only easy to cook, but it's easy to serve. It doesn't require a lot of garnish. Sometimes simple is better. Just take some sliced lemons and interspace them amongst your cutlets. Put it on a nice platter with a little parsley, and voila! You are ready to wow your friends with the best pork milanese that they've ever tasted. Thanks for being with us on Dick in the Kitchen, and we'll see you next week.